Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Autocad version and that you have permission to change settings. Once confirmed, open the Options dialog, type Options, or use the Application menu so you get to the exact controls. Make sure you see the Files and Open and Save panels. These sections contain autosave parameters. This first step puts you in the right place to change behavior globally instead of per file, and it saves time when applying settings to templates or company standards. Now, in the Open and Save tab, locate the Automatic Save Interval box and enter a value in minutes. You should choose a short interval, 5 to 10 minutes, if you want frequent recovery points while working. Also set where backup files go and confirm file extensions like back or $SV are acceptable for your workflow. Once set, click Apply to store the interval. This reduces data loss and integrates with your backup strategy, so recovery is predictable and fast. After applying changes, save your drawing and close the Options dialog so settings take effect. Test Autosave by making an edit and waiting the set interval, then search your backup folder for a new $SV or back file to confirm operation. If you don't see it, check disk permissions, available space, and whether antivirus or folder redirection blocks writes. Make sure Autocad has access. Finally, make a small change and repeat until you consistently find autosave files, ensuring reliable recovery.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.